Kia koto katoa tamarikima. In this video, we're going to be talking about the greatest common factor, or GCF. Now, sometimes we might get a little confused between greatest common factor and least common multiple. A nice, easy way to remember it is that factors are greatest, and those two letters, the F and the G, are right next to each other in the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Just like least common multiples, the L and the M are right next to each other in the alphabet. So there's a nice, easy way to remember that it's the greatest common factor. And the way you can remember it, F and G are right next to each other in the alphabet. Now, greatest means biggest. So the definition here, greatest common factor, we're going to be looking for the largest factor found in each set of factors. So let's have a look at the factors of 6. Now, the smallest factor of any whole number is always 1, and the largest factor is the number itself. So 1 and 6 are going to make up the bookends of the factors of 6. Now, a factor is a whole number that goes evenly into another number, and since 2 goes into 6 3 times, those are all the factors of 6. Now let's look at the factors of 8. Again, the smallest factor of any number is 1, and the biggest factor of any number is the number itself. So 1 and 8 are going to be the bookends for the factors of 8. Now 2 goes into 8 4 times, so those are the remaining 2 factors of 8. Now the number 3 doesn't go into 8 evenly, so 3 is not a factor of 8. Same thing with 5, 6, and 7. Now, looking at the factors of 6 and the factors of 8, what is the largest or greatest one in each set? Well, both of those have the number 1. Both have the number 2. They don't both have 3, and they don't both have 6. So the greatest or biggest number found in each one of those sets is the number 2, and that makes 2 the greatest common factor of 6 and 8. Kapai? Kapai.